This is Larry Bonaroto from LarryOnLearning.com, and this is your Morning Minute. Everyone benefits from servant leadership. The best leaders understand how serving others is the foundation of leading others. Here's a powerful quote from someone who clearly understood the value of servant leadership. Quote, "Leadership is not about domination, it's about service. True greatness is measured by how much we serve, not by how much we control." End quote. That's from Charlie Kirk. What does servant leadership look like in real life? In Chapter 20 of Work With Me, Not For Me, I described several characteristics of servant leaders. These are the actions and disciplines that create successful teams and exceptional outcomes for everyone involved. First, organizer. They bring the right people together and place them in the right roles to maximize success for clients, team members, and suppliers. Second, disciplinarian. They establish and uphold standards and processes that allow the entire team to succeed consistently. Third, mentor. They help team members develop their God-given talents so they can do more, be more, and contribute more. 4, teacher. They encourage continuous improvement in themselves and others so everyone is better equipped to serve clients and to support one another. 5, instigator. They create opportunities for growth and success by initiating the changes necessary to better serve others. And 6th, cheerleader. They celebrate both individual and team successes, knowing that recognition fuels confidence, engagement, and future achievement. The greatest example of servant leadership is found in the life of Jesus. He showed us how to live and how to lead by serving others. Through his example, he taught us how to pray, how to help others improve their lives, and how to persevere through life's greatest challenges. His entire life was devoted to serving others. As servant leaders, our daily challenge is simple. Set the example. Show others how to serve, how to work together, how to become the positive change they wish to create. Lead by serving. When you help others succeed, everyone benefits. And remember, information without transformation is wasted energy. This is Larry Bonaroto from LarryOnLearning.com, and that is your Morning Minute.